Hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yana Smakula, excited to bring you day 7 of the 13 days of Craft-o-Ween from Spellbinders. So we're looking at the 13 days of Craft-o-Ween advent calendar box from Spellbinders. I have already shared day 1 through 6. Let me quickly go through these cards. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6. You can catch videos for these on my channel. I have video tutorials showing these cards, unboxing, taking a look at the products, and showing the finished cards. And in this video, we're going to open up and take a look at day number 7. So are you ready? La 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 la, so spooky. Wow, I love it. I say this in every video, but I love the graphics, the printing, the design on the outside of these little pouches. They're just so creative. And I feel like these can be used for other things. They can definitely be reused. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and open day 7. And by the way, again, I mentioned this, I have mentioned this a few times, but what you see here on the outside is definitely not what you are going to get on the inside. It's just pretty illustration, but it does not match the inside. So just a little disclaimer for you. So are you ready? Ta-da-da-da! Oh, wow! This one's clever. We have books, we have candles, we have Spellbound, and then we have a sentiment, magic and mischief. Why can't I pronounce that? Magic and mischief await. Love it. Okay, I'm going to pause my video, do the die cutting, make my little card, and I will be back in a few. Here is a look at the finished card featuring day 7. Love the books. I die cut the books using brushed black cardstock. I just wanted to have a more dark and dramatic look to the books. I did try cutting them from colored cardstock first. Here I have the books that I test cut, and they look fun, you know, but they don't fit with a Halloween theme. So you can still use the book dies for other projects like school projects, back to school, you know, reading card, that sort of thing. So I cut that from black. I do have the little book spines and the bookmarks cut from lilac and lavender cardstock. I added the candles at the top cut from brushed white. The flames were cut using carrot and saffron, and I added glossy accents on top. It is still drying. I also, I skipped using the little Spellbound die cut that you see on the colorization here. Instead, I brought the boo from the previous day. I think it was from this one. Yes, from day 4. And I also brought the little pumpkin from day 4 as well. I thought about adding a cat from day 4. Here's my little cat. I even added a little bow to the cat to kind of match the whole color theme. But I couldn't find a place for him or her, so I skipped the cat. And I then stamped Magic and Mischief Await Sentiment using the VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And as always, I added gems. These are the onyx gems from Spellbinders. So this is the color combo that I have for this card: lilac, lavender, fairy tale, saffron, carrot, and chiffon. Yes, chiffon was the color that I used for the book pages. It looks white, but if you look closely, you'll notice that this is actually chiffon, and this is not exactly true white. It is that brushed white, which has more of a blue tint to it. So this is a look at day 7 of the Spellbinders 13 days of Craftoween advent calendar. So far, I am loving this. I love that there's a little die set included each day. I love that there's colorization included for every day. That gives me an idea of how I can use the products. And I love that the die set is not too big. It's not overwhelming. I don't have to spend, you know, hours cutting the pieces out and assembling them. It takes me about an hour to make a card, and I feel like an hour is a doable amount of time each day that I can dedicate to crafting. I would love to spend more time, to be able to spend more time, but you know, seeing how this is the smaller die set, it's more manageable and it's easier to create with. So this is, again, look at day 7. Thank you for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow for day 8. And we're halfway down, guys. Wow. Yay. See you tomorrow. Bye.